So we're really excited to launch the new feature in the Ingenuity 7, which is process graphics. This makes it possible to draw intuitive visualizations of real-time systems. It takes the product beyond anything else that's out there in the market at the moment. It allows you to combine this technical drawing capability with classic KPI visualizations. The new edition not only makes data more interactive, but it makes it easier than ever to monitor your operations at a glance. You can now map industrial processes using a wide range of custom graphics that respond to data in real time, giving you immediate insights into your process health. It's easy to expand the graphics libraries, and you can combine the visualizations with other KPIs like tabular data. This lets your team see the critical information tailored to their needs. Ingenuity already allows you to connect multiple data sources together seamlessly. So now with this new capability, it gives you functionality never before seen in a single platform. You can monitor both industrial real-time process data along with business and reporting type information. And what's even better is this is 100% user configurable. You don't need to know how to code to make these dashboards. Just click View into edit mode and you can drag and drop the information together as you want it.
The drawing package is far more intuitive than other products out there. Typically, P&ID sort of type tools, they're very fixed in what you can do. You get sort of 5 options. You can add line color, for example, you can draw your lines. Whereas what I'd say in Ingenuity, what I like is that you can draw graphics in far more detail. You can get a lot more complex, and you've got lots of new features that make a difference, such as line breaks, being able to get perfect corners on a line. Another thing that is really good with it is that you can do multi-state on any type of widget as well. If you're doing a test separator, you could color the shade of an outlet line depending on what type of fluid was coming there, or if you had a multimeter, then you could dynamically change the properties. We now have the ability to create templated displays which can be driven from data within our knowledge graph. Another fantastic thing is the integration of common menu on it. So you could do a separated dashboard, and where you would typically have an equipment label, that can now be a clickable link to bring up the common menu to give you contextualized data directly onto your page, so you could get quickly access to other measurements, related assets, documents, alarm and events, and anything else that's configured with that. I think the biggest thing with our new process graphic package is you can now do process graphics integrated with everything else that Eigen does.
So whether you're visualizing a simple process or a complex multi-source system, Ingenuity brings you the power, flexibility, and ease of integration to allow you to make better, more informed decisions faster. Stay tuned for more updates on this and more features, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or want to learn more about how Ingenuity 7 can work for you.